Hey guys! Today I will be reviewing eCom Elites. Now, before you leave, yes, I am using an AI voiceover, but that doesn't make my review any less trustworthy. I am an actual student and I have personally bought eCom Elites. I will be showing it on the screen as proof that I actually own the product I am reviewing. I will be addressing some criticisms as well in this review. This is eCom Elites, which is made by a guy named Franklin Hatchett, as you guys probably know him. He has a huge YouTube channel where he discusses dropshipping and various other business models. So, before I give my thoughts on the course, I will be going over everything it has. It has around 10 modules if we include the bonus module that it has. The first module I skipped the introduction, but you should watch it if you're starting out. Module 1 is all about setting your store up. So this includes things like using Shopify, how to upload themes, add products, customizing pages, checkout pages, setting up US payments, bulk importing products, store taxes, abandoned checkout setup, setting up domain and shipping. He also covers store funnel, creating an upsell, and whether to do a general or niche store in the module. Next up we have Module 2, which goes over. Module 2 is basically all about product research. If you have some experience dropshipping, you know product research is one of the most important things you need to do. He has over 10 or more ways to do product research. He goes over what metrics to see when finding products to sell, what sort of profit margins and pricing you want, how to spy on other stores, and using various other website and tools to find products to sell. He also has like 5 bonus ways of finding products. He also has one video showing his 6-figure product. Module 3 is all about Facebook ads. There's literally over 30 different videos dedicated just to Facebook ads. He goes explaining each detail, like how to access advertising menu, the type of Facebook ads that you can do, how they work, what is a Facebook pixel, creating a Facebook page, installing pixel, explaining you Facebook placements. Now, after he explains all the basics, he goes over some pretty advanced methods, what type of ads you want to pick for the best conversion. He also teaches various other methods like article advertising, paid per engagement setting, how to do flex targeting, how to optimize your ads by checking their key performance indicators. See, if you have ever ran Facebook ads, you know not all ads cost the same. It really depends on your method, conversion, product and ads. He also goes over how to create video adverts, image adverts, the copywriting for the Facebook ads, how to do retargeting, and finally how to scale with Facebook ads. In Module 4 we have Instagram. I highly recommend when you guys start out, start with influencer marketing because it requires a lower budget. Anyways, in this module, Frank goes over how to find influencers, influencer pricing, and Instagram ads. Next up we have Module 5, which is all about email marketing. He basically goes over how to collect emails on your store, how to send emails, creating a newsletter, how to warm up leads, how to get better open rates for those emails, creating a flow. A flow is basically like a sequence of emails the customers get. I personally use Klaviyo for setting up my email marketing. Module 6 he goes over chatbots. Now, when you start out you won't really need chatbot because it is much more advanced. But, he has an entire module dedicated to this, which goes over how to set up chatbot, chatbot ads, and chatbot flows. Module 7 is about sales funnels. So in this module, he just tells you how to build funnels for dropshipping and e-commerce. The reason why you would use a funnel rather than Shopify would be to have access to ClickFunnels, one-click upsells, and a funnel basically a lot of times can increase the conversion rates by a lot. When you give the customer too many options, they might get confused on what to pick. But, Franklin basically goes over how to set up funnels, connect them to PayPal, integrate them to Shopify, fulfilling Shopify orders with them, and adding product variants. He also provides 3 different bonus videos on how to do funnel retargeting, pricing for the funnel, and make money with funnels. Module 8 is on Google Ads. Franklin explains why you would use Google instead of Facebook. How to install Google Pixel, creating an audience for Google, keyword research, how to create text ads for Google, retargeting. Then he has like 4 different videos on Google Shopping and how to set it up, and lastly, he has few more videos on how to scale for Google Ads. Module 9 goes over Google search engine traffic. This just goes over how to rank your Shopify store on Google. He explains keyword research, building backlinks, and ranking structure. If you're brand new to dropshipping, I would stick to paid ads for now. Doesn't mean you can't SEO optimize your meta tags and such, but using organic free traffic as your main source of traffic is much more advanced than doing influencer marketing on Instagram. Module 10, the last module, which is a bonus module, basically just goes over tips and tricks on increasing average order value. He also gives his product descriptions, coupon site trick, warranty upsell trick, review site sales trick, building massive FB pages, and finally how to scale with virtual assistants. Lastly, you also get access to the Facebook group, which has a ton of people helping you answer questions and avoid beginner issues when starting out. See, there are a few criticisms which stand out with eCom elites. First is, many people complain about Frank not being as active in the group. This is only partially true, but you have to realize there are many people who were new just like you and they got success because of eCom elites, and while most of them don't hang out in the group, many of them do still answer questions and issues you might have. Another criticism people say is, oh, you are an affiliate for the course, so how can you give an honest opinion? Fair point, but you have to realize there are many courses in the market which offer way higher commissions for those promoting them. Not only that, they have a much bigger brand name behind them with multiple successful authors compared to just having one author. Now, when you are starting out dropshipping, you want to have enough money to do paid advertising with. I recommend having at least $500 to $1,000 for ads alone. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, guys, it's a proper business. Sure, you can start with even less and make money from influencer marketing, but you are basing that off luck. The last criticism people have is, why buy a course when you can just learn everything for free on YouTube? See, when you pay for this course, you're paying to learn the skill. When you first start out in any business, expect to fail. But once you start doing it over time and start getting better and better at it, then you will improve. The course is no secret to becoming rich or having success with dropshipping. What the course will do is save you time and money by having all the information streamlined into one course. You will also be implementing tips and tricks suggested by Franklin himself. He has been dropshipping for a long time. I highly recommend this course because of how cheap it is. You have to realize people are charging fortunes for this kind of information, which isn't even half as good as eCom elites. With eCom elites, you're saving money and time on not just the techniques, saving yourself the hassle of learning from experience a lot of things which could cost you money. You are saving money by spending the money on one of the most reasonably priced course to date, which is packed with a ton of value. I hope you guys liked my review. Hopefully, I went over it thoroughly, addressing questions and criticism. If this helped you guys, feel free to use my affiliate link to buy the course. It helps me out a lot. And yes, I am an affiliate. Many people won't even tell you that they are affiliates. They will put it in the bottom of the description so you don't know. Lastly, if you like the AI voice, you can actually get this software. It's great for creating video ads. I personally use it for Facebook posts and ads. I will leave a link in the description for that as well.